Hi folks, it's going to be another Dave Senior moment, providing I last longer than a moment. This is about this Lazy Susan that we made. We put, a lot of times we'll put our signs on here if we're spraying them or doing something. But I made this Lazy Susan. I just threw it together with a 6-inch bearing and MDF. I just threw it together. It's been about 5 years now, and it's still good. If you ever need to oil the bearings, you just take WD-40 and squirt in there, and this thing will just spin like a champ.
It's been a while since I did that, you can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little.
So this is the one I made 5 years ago, and we've had inquiries about whether or not we would make them for other people. So Eric asked me if I'd make one and see what it would be. So I thought, sure, I'll make it. So here's I'll put this aside, and here's the one I made up today. And now this has got a 4-inch bearing in it instead of the 6-inch bearing, and I made this so that it'll collapse. And we did that just so the shipping wouldn't kill us. But that's really all I did. I just took some 1/4-inch dowels and I drilled a hole about 20 thousandths over about 270 thousandths. And that just goes in there. And that goes in there. That way it just doesn't collapse on you. And then once this is set in place, it'll actually hold a pretty good weight. This bearing says that it's rated at 150 pounds. Well, as you can see, I don't know, I guess you can't.
Yeah, they can see that, Dan.
Can they see that?
That's a 40-pounder, they can see it.
See, these are 40-pound weights, and it just works great. And so I can put these together. Now this has got 3/4-inch plywood on the top, but when I make them, they'll be all MDF.
We just ran out of 3/4-inch.
Yeah, I just ran out of 3/4-inch MDF, and I wanted to get this made for this film, so I just I made it. But it works out good. So anyway, the price on these is going to be $35 plus the shipping. We don't know what the shipping will be because we don't know where you are, but you can just use that as a guide. If you want one of these, if you want me to make one, I'll make one for you for $35, and then whatever the shipping is, that's what it'll be. So that's what I wanted to show you today.
Nice job.
That's my senior moment for today.
Nice job.
Where it works out good,
Yeah.
and it's a nice Lazy Susan. I wouldn't have it on my Thanksgiving dinner table, but other than that, it's a good Lazy Susan.
Well, you could paint it up with a turkey.
Could paint it up.
Yeah.
It'd hold a turkey.
It would.
Okay, that's my senior moment for today. We'll see you on the next one.